Just heard a crash. I know what's happened. The heat was building up in here and I put the fan on top whack, on high, and the plants are due a water like tomorrow or possibly Saturday, so they're starting to get a bit dry, which makes them lighter, and the fan has obviously caught one and it's dragged down the other three. Now that one's fine because it's so tight in the pot, it hasn't lost much. Oh no. The end of that spike's broken off. I waited ages for the blooms on this as well. Well, it's done now, isn't it? So yeah, I'm just going to have to pick up the media and put everything back up. And I'll just have to watch that fan catching the plants. There isn't much else it could actually blow over. It's the top heavy stuff. And I bet you anything you like, it was the dendrobium that pulled everything over. Very light in the pot because it's so root bound, pot bound, and top heavy with 2 new growths and leaves. So that'll be what did it, and then it just took the other 2 with it. These things happen. But you know, of all the things up there that could have fallen over, it's the one with the spike. Typical. Oh well, so be it.